Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create this sort of pink video trend that's been going around on TikTok. First, you have to find the sound, and then you are going to select a video that has the Indie Kid filter. So I'm just going to select the Indie Kid filter and then press try this effect. And then you're going to record like a few seconds of like something using the indie filter, and then when the song changes into like a more faded sound, you're going to remove the filter. So for instance, I'm just going to video this like pink, 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 and then I'm going to then remove the effect and then record it again for a few seconds. And then you're going to do it for like 4 times, like using like 3 other objects. As you can see, I have like 1. So you'll need like 3 more to like compare like you using the filter and then you not using the filter on that object. I hope that makes sense, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!